take your digital publishing business to the next level. Well, I'm going to share with you I'm going to share five tools that are a game changer you need to know about. Hey guys, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. I'm your digital publishing bestie. You know, I love to share all the goods about digital publishing and the tools that you can use in your business. Now, the first tool is Canva. I'm going to tell you guys the truth. I use Canva every single day. I love that it's versatile because what you can do, you can create your book covers, your marketing material, your social media graphics right there in Canva. I use it to create this slide that you see right here. I'm actually presenting using Canva inside of Canva, so I don't have to download the slide in order to present it to you. I can present right there in Canva. Of course, I use Canva to create my journals, my planners, my templates that I put on Etsy, I showcase here on YouTube and create those done for you books. Canva is bae. I had to have it number one because listen, I use it for every single thing in my business. Number two is Grammarly. I love this extension because Grammarly is a must have when it comes to editing. Y'all know I write a book every single month and I use Grammarly for my editing tool. Now, it does not mean that I don't leverage editors for my books, but Grammarly makes it so much easier and so much more economically friendly because I don't have to spend a whole lot of money on editors because I write a lot of books. So therefore, I am great with my writing. And Grammarly, I love the tool too because it helps me with my style improvement. So it helps me to know, make sure I'm putting my punctuations right, make sure I'm spelling things right. I love to use Grammarly in my business. All right. So my next tool that I love and I have been using for quite some time is BookBeam. Now I use BookBeam primarily for me publishing my books on Amazon KDP because I get my keywords, making sure that I'm using keywords in my books and making sure also that I am using the right titles for my books. BookBeam also lets me know what niches are profitable as well. So BookBeam has so many different features that you can use in your business, but not just any business, but for your book business. So let me know if you want me to do a tutorial around BookBeam and how I use BookBeam. I'll be glad to do that. So let me know that in the comments. Okay. Number 4 is Trello. Now Trello is my hidden gem in my business. I use Trello as my assistant. So she is my assistant. I have a nice Trello board that I share with my YouTube. If you're part of my subscription, every month I'm sharing with you my Trello board, like in real time, and how I use it in my business every single month to set my goals. So Trello is bae. So she's my assistant. It tells me what I need to do every single day to move the needle in my business. So if you're a part of my family, which is my YouTube family, I have a subscription. I think it's like $9.99 a month. That's one of the videos that I showcase every single month, showing you behind the scenes how I plan my months. And I use Trello. Okay, I use it in real time. And yeah, you want to join that subscription there or that membership, my YouTube membership, if you want to see behind the scenes how I use Trello. But I love it, and it's one of my free tools. So I haven't upgraded just yet with Trello, although you can to unlock many different tools. But I use Trello for a lot of things, even with my passwords, to keep my passwords for all my different tools that I use. I use that for Trello. So yeah, your girl used Trello to its full capacity. And number 5 is ConvertKit. So with ConvertKit, easiest platform to use to build your email list, because you need an email list, honey. Okay, you need an email list to build your soft life digital publishing business, and ConvertKit is the way to go. The features that I absolutely love is the email automation, the segmenting. So I segment my list. So depending on what you sign up for, you go on a particular list. So if you sign up for my workshop, you're going to go on my workshop list. Okay. If you sign up for my newsletter, you're going to go on my newsletter list. Okay. So I segment my list so I know where people are. And I absolutely love the email automation. So when you sign up for my workshop, you automatically get emails that I set up in advance. So I set those up in advance and I'm able to schedule them so they go out automatically. Okay. That's what I mean when you want to make money in your sleep, when you really want to make passive income, you need email automation. Okay. So you need that automation to be working. So you need to have an email list. Do not depend solely. I don't depend solely on YouTube. I have an email list and it is segmented out depending on what you actually subscribe for. Okay. So listen, you don't sign up for these tools. You should. I have them linked in the description for you to easily sign up if you want to use these tools in your business. If you want me to do some, and I probably plan on doing this anyway, to do some different, especially with Trello and BookBeam, Grammarly, I can do some tools, like some tutorials on these tools and how I use them. You let me know in the comments if that's going to be beneficial to you. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in today's YouTube video. I hope that you loved it. Y'all love talking about on this channel how to create multiple streams of income in digital publishing. If you like this type of content, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. All right. So if you are interested in getting into digital publishing, you want to learn more behind the scenes on how I built a profitable digital publishing in 90 days without social media, meet me at the workshop. Okay. The workshop is absolutely for free. I'm going to show you how to leverage your expertise and creativity to create products and services that you love while avoiding social media burnout. I'm also going to share with you some actionable insights and proven strategies to grow your business and how you can attract your ideal client or your ideal audience and start earning passive income on your terms. So meet me there live and in person at sharlritadeloatch.com/blueprint. Now, if you are ready to get a jump start on your digital publishing business, go ahead and grab the Digital Publisher Success Toolkit. It's your all-in-one resource for building and thriving a thriving digital publishing business with ease. Y'all know I teach y'all how to do this with ease. Okay. I have some tools, some templates, some guides, some workshops right there inside of the toolkit for just $27, not a month, just flat $27, and that's it. So go to sharlritadeloatch.com/toolkit. All right. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let's meet in the comments and let me know what other type of videos you would like me to produce around these tools. And I'll be sure that I get those recorded because I want to bring you as much value as possible when it comes to building your digital publishing business. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.